Hello, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Jabra Elite 7 Pro with any Windows PC or laptop. First of all, just open this charging case and simply remove left and also the right earbud. As you can see right now we can find the indicators right here and right here, and we have to wait until this indicator turns to the blue. So click and hold the both buttons, the left and the right, and take a look for the indicators. When they are blinking, just remove both buttons and put them close to your laptop, but do not put them back to the charging case. Then on our PC we have to go for the system settings. We have to open the left side, on the left side, the Bluetooth and devices. Activate Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher and then move to add device. Select Bluetooth device, and right now you have to select your Jabra Elite 7 Pro from the list. Click on them once. When you are successfully connected, you can also go to the system sound settings and switch manually for the output and the input device to our earbuds. And as you can see, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.